Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can insert Google Spreadsheets into Google Docs. So let's say I want to add this spreadsheet into a blank Google Docs in here. So there are two ways that you can do. First, you can just copy, for example, this table right here. Right click and click on copy. Open the Google Docs, right click again. Wait a second. Okay, so in here, click on paste. So that's the first way. You can see the table will be pasted in here. Or the second way, you can link this spreadsheet into the doc by going to insert and then go to chart or table in here. Let's go to chart and click on from sheets. So click on this and then just find the file in your Google Drive. So this is the file, click on it, then click on select. After that, click you can import the choose the chart and check this box link to spreadsheet, then click on import. Okay, so the chart will be here and it will link into the Google spreadsheet. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.